Because I know the baby phase passes so quickly, I wanted to film my labor of love, my nursery tour. And this is absolutely my favorite room in the house, hands down. I don't even know where to start. Like, it's been so long since I've been in here because I am a NICU mom and my little baby has been in the NICU for over 2 months. So I don't like when I can't see the full room in other people's tour. And yes, this room is gender male, no gender neutral in here. Long story short, we've got, oh, look at my cleaning supplies there. That sign I remember is from Home Goods. I hand painted these clouds. I watched all the videos from the old, what was the guy that painted with the curly fro? I did that. Home Goods sign over there. These little things on the wall are from Target. The smaller clear one are from some 5 and below, but I looked it up online for like cloud things to hold books in because those are also propping up these books. I think all of these signs here are from Hobby Lobby. They are. These are, and then these are some of the first things that I ever bought, even like when I was like afraid to be pregnant, like because you don't know if it's gonna go through or not, because I did have a prior miscarriage. Refrigerator is from Best Buy. That's where I keep my milk. That's a gifted salt lamp from his grandma. These chairs ordered offline. You can get them at Bye Bye Baby or Target, all depending, because we know everything is made in China. The throws are old. Pillow from Home Goods. Teddy bears are gifted. Crib is from a baby boutique here in town. The crib is more quality than most cribs because you can see how thick the posting of it is. I think the brand is Ben and Franklin separated. So just very traditional. I wanted to go with modern, but the modern ones weren't so sturdy. Favorite thing in the room is his neon light name sign. His dad's favorite thing in the room is his overhead light. Light is coming on. And let it focus. Overhead light. I have a thing for lights. I think they really make the room, any room. And it's a globe with airplanes floating, stars that made the camera go crazy. Curtains are from Anthropology. These puffs actually go with the chair, which is funny because I originally ordered this off Amazon and Amazon lost one of them. And then I had to order through a different vendor. I think I ended up ordering through Target for the chairs. And then curtains, I don't know if I said, are from Anthropology because I was all about the theme. Something I want to hide there because our picture is over there, Mom and Dad. And then hand painted clouds again. Dresser, most expensive thing in the room is Anthropology. Don't tell the dad, but this is not really a baby dresser. It is out of the teen section, I think, of Anthropology. And I am going to get a baby changing topper on this. What else does this room need? Oh, I'm in the process of setting up our bedroom nursery, like a mini nursery. So I don't know if I want to get a mini crib or a bassinet for that. But yeah, so of course I am, rug is from Home Goods. Dad picked out this panda bear, which was so funny because I didn't want it because it was not blue. But Panda does make a nice addition in here. Panda actually came from IKEA, which is so funny to me. That pillow is from Z Gallery. I've had it for years. Home Goods. And I think all of this stuff is from Home Goods. And I think it's a little plain because he's got sheets with clouds on them, but they weren't that cute. These sheets just came from Target. I might upgrade his sheets. But I know he's not even going to sleep in here. I'm going to wash everything, of course, before he comes home. But I just wanted to share because I know that the baby phase does not last forever. And I want it to. I really, really want this phase to last. And it's just different. It's different when you're older, you have the patience and you have the peace. And let's be honest, you have the time, girl, and the finances to get whatever you would like in most cases, like in the baby zone, in the baby world. And that's what I call it. This is the baby world. And we want the baby world to be full of just peaceful vibes. And the cloud story is so funny. How many videos I watched, like 5 hours of videos on how to paint clouds. There's actually a guy who posts videos on YouTube, and all he does is paint cloud murals. Well, not just cloud murals, but he focuses on clouds so much. I did not like them at first because I never thought they would be up to par. but the big one turned out very, very well. And just so many memories. We are renting this house, and so funny, we were about to move and my partner was like, you spent so much time on that nursery, I don't think we should just up and move like that, which it doesn't really matter to me, it's just things. But this is a moment of time in our life. 2022, being a boy mom. I would ask for your tips and tricks, but you know, everybody's coming from a different measuring stick. But thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.